Hey everyone, I just wanted to pop on very quickly today just to say a very big thank you to a lovely lady called Thurid. I hope I've pronounced your name right. She is from Germany and we've decided to do like a tag swap and some goodies, and so I received my package from her today and I just wanted to share this with you. I just thought they were absolutely lovely, and we all love getting happy mail. Look at this lovely tag, and it says peace, love and yoga, and it's very strange because I had thought this new year that I want to start doing some exercising, and with my illness it's very difficult to do exercising, and I thought, well, maybe yoga might be the way to go. So when I saw this tag, I did have a little chuckle to myself, and it has these lovely like vintage pig on it, which I just loved it, and I think she's gessoed. It's got some lace and some stamping, and it just says, dear Channelle, hope this one finds a place in one of your journals. Love from Thurid. It is just beautiful. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much. It's just, oh, I love getting happy mail, and you know, having items. This, I mean, this would go in one of my personal journals because this, it means something to me. And also, look, a heart doily, couldn't think of the word, a heart doily as well, so I will be using that in one of my journals as well. I don't think I have any heart. Do I have any heart doilies? Little ones maybe, not big ones. And look at this cute little bag pocket that you could use for a pocket, and it says on it 2019 January, and she's put on here, I like a swap in January, with a little heart, love Thurid. And this, how cute is that, and such a lovely thing to go in a journal. And oh, just cute little brown paper bag, and inside we have some goodies. We have a feather, and I am very spiritual and I love feathers, and look at the beautiful colour of that grey feather. I'm going to have to find a project to put that in, so I don't think I actually have used a feather in any of my journals. And inside we have a lovely die cut feather, and I've seen this die actually, and I nearly got it myself but I didn't. But actually it's beautiful, very lovely to go in a journal or any project really, just very sweet. And look at this lovely tag with a little jigsaw piece. That's cute, and I never thought about doing that. That's actually really cute. And like a little, it's like a stamp, sticker, not sure, but lovely little tag for a journal with a lovely little flower embellishment and some lovely little ribbon. And look at this little bobbin. How cute. This is very cute actually. I love this a lot. I really do like that. That's going in one of my journals as well. But the ribbon's very beautiful as well. Love it. And then a very little cute, I don't know if that says for you. I don't really know German. I think it's for you. I think. But a very cute little tag nonetheless. So these are my goodies from Thurid, and love them. I haven't sent your parcel off yet because I have a couple of things I want to make. Because I have tags that were made and I could have just put them in, but I don't want to. I wanted to do something specifically for you, so that's what I'm doing. And anyone else, if you're interested in a swap, if you want to do a swap, my address details, just contact me, email me, or below you'll see a postal address if you want to get hold of me and do a swap, or we're going to send each other happy mail. So thank you so much, Thurid. You've made my day. They arrived this morning and I love all my goodies, and I don't know which journal to put them in yet, but I'm going to find a very special one to put these in. So thank you again, and see you all later. Take care for now. Bye bye.